So today I'm gonna walk you through another chili recipe. This is that chili that you put on your hot dogs, you take to a tailgating party, you put on your nachos. It's just ground beef, a delicious chili gravy, spices, no beans, anything like that. It's simple, it's delicious. This is ground beef chili. So we're just gonna dive right in. I got my chili soup pot already heating up. It's like on high heat, medium high heat. I'm using ghee. Everyone might not have ghee in their home. We like it a lot, but you could use butter or olive oil, whichever you like. I'm gonna add that to the pot. And for this recipe, I've just got 80-20 ground beef. And I'm just gonna take this whole log and throw it in there. And then immediately just start to break it up. Okay, I have a really cool tool I want to show you. Look at this thing. This is like a ground beef masher upper thing. Here it is in action. Look at that. It just breaks it up. Okay, our goal here is just brown the ground beef. Get all that caramelized flavor. And you might need to have it on high heat because it is a lot of meat, but yeah, just get it browned. Now, once the meat has gotten browned a little bit, we're gonna add in our garlic, bell pepper, and white onion. Stir that in, and we're gonna let this saute and simmer for like 4 or 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add basically all the flavor that we're putting in this chili. We have a lot of spices. This is like your taco seasoning. This is smoked paprika, ancho chili powder. We've got cumin and onion powder and salt and pepper. Now it's time to add all the flavor and all the spices. Then we're just gonna stir that up, make sure all the spices are mixed thoroughly. Now that I've added all the spices, I just wanna let this mingle and cook for like another 5 minutes. Now we're ready to add our beef stock and our San Marzano tomatoes and stir that up really good. It smells so good already. So you want to bring all of this up to a simmer, add the lid, we're going to reduce the heat, then we're going to let this cook for 1 hour with the lid on at a low simmer. Okay, so it's been an hour. I'm going to take the lid off and reveal. And now at this point, we're gonna leave the lid off and we're gonna just continue to simmer it for another 45 minutes. Okay, it's been simmering for another 45 minutes with the lid off. It smells incredible and it's reduced down a lot. So now we're gonna add the juice of 1 lime, the honey, and the tomato paste. Oop. All right, now just stir that in really well. Make sure the tomato paste gets incorporated. And we're gonna simmer it for another 10 minutes. And this is just to basically finish off everything to make it the desired thickness that we want. The tomato paste is gonna thicken it up a little bit. The honey is gonna bring out a little bit of sweetness. And the lime, it's great, a little acidity. It's very nice. So 10 more minutes and we should be good. Okay, so excited. 10 minutes is up. This chili is done. I can just look at it and know that it's done. It smells incredible. It looks so amazing. It looks lovely. The beef has broken down. The onions and the peppers have broken down. It just is, this is the best chili. This is my favorite. You guys get in here and look at this. Isn't this just like, it's just the perfect ground beef chili, you know? Like, nothing messing with this recipe, just beef and a delicious gravy. Nice and thick, look at that. And the big reveal, it's so piping hot. Oh. That is perfection. That is beef chili perfection. No beans, just meat, a delicious sauce. It's got like a really nice depth of flavor with all those spices that we added. They really came out. You can taste the different layers of chilies. It's not spicy by any means. It's just got a really nice chili, toasty flavor. The meat is really soft and tender. It's extremely hot. Like, look at the consistency. It's like so nice. This would be almost like sloppy joes even, you know? But like on a chili dog, on a baked potato. This would be perfect for tailgating parties. What else is there to say? So there you have it. This is Two Chefs ground beef chili. That's it. Put some cheese on it, some sour cream. Watch the Super Bowl.